1973, our wine group went to the Napa Valley. Ron Bachrach had arranged for us to tour the Sebastiani vineyards. We were shown the whole process of their winemaking, from the time the grapes were brought in, to the crushing of the grapes, and collecting the juice, to the fermentation process in casks and vats of varying sizes, some beautifully decorated, and to the eventual aging of the wine in oak barrels. After that tour, we tasted the finished product from previous years. And spent time in their retail department, picking out our favorite wines to take home. This doesn't rhyme in English, but it reads, "Who does not love singing of white wine remains a fool as long as he lives." We were treated to a great lunch held in the Sebastiani cellars, and that evening enjoyed a fine meal at La Borgogna in San Francisco. Who wouldn't be happy after a day like that? Then, in 1977, the group traveled in our motorhome to Ensenada for a day of relaxation. We visited a park on the beachfront, did a little exploring, and of course, some shopping. After all, it's Mexico. We couldn't come back without stocking up on the local liqueurs, and continued the enjoyment of our regular tastings, this one at the Fines. What great fun!